Hello, in today's episode we will listen to a conversation in English. If you like this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, and comment on this video. And now, let's move on to the dialogue. Today's topic is in restaurant.
Hello. Welcome to our restaurant. How can I help you?
Hi. I'm a bit hungry. Can I see the menu, please?
Sure, here you go. Take your time to decide.
Thanks. I'll have a burger and fries, please.
Great choice. Would you like that with a drink?
Yes, a cola, please. And do you have desserts?
Yes, we have cake or ice cream. Which one do you prefer?
I'll go with chocolate cake. Sounds delicious.
Perfect. Anything else, or is that all for today?
That's all, thank you. How much is it in total?
The burger, fries, cola, and cake total to $20.
All right. Here you go. Keep the change. Thank you.
Thank you. Your order will be ready shortly. Enjoy.
I can't wait. I'm so hungry. How long will it take?
It should be ready in about 10 to 15 minutes. Thank you.
Great. I'll find a table and wait. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Feel free to ask if you need anything else.
Thank you. I appreciate your help. Have a good day.
You too. Enjoy your meal, and let me know if you need anything.
Vocabulary. Hello. Welcome. Restaurant. Help. Hungry. Menu. Burger. Fries. Cola. Cake. Delicious. Total. Change. Ready. Enjoy. Wait. Thank you. Day. Table. Order. Thank you for watching. Check our channel for more videos like this one.